Hi friends, Andrea here with a new project for Hip Geek Club. Today is Wednesday and I will be making a layout highlighting two products. If you remember 2 weeks ago, I made a mini album highlighting the stamp market tags and stickers, all kinds of stickers. So this week, I'm going to take a challenge and work on a layout. And the products we're going to be highlighting today are the papers and a couple of die cuts. You'll see two bows and one pocket life card, but no, we're going to be focusing on the other ones and I'll be mentioning them. So you see the first die cut over there, a pattern paper. We're working with the stamp market paper will be the one I'll use for my background. And you'll see a lot of flowers that I decided to fussy cut in order to decorate this layout. I knew from the very beginning that I wanted to use those black and white flowers from the Fifth of Monaco collection. That is the main reason why my photo is black and white. I want to make sure that the number 1 on the page, on the background page, is the only number out of the 5 that you'll be able to see. That is why the big cluster with the photo will go on the left side to cover the rest of the numbers. So you'll see I'm working now on putting that cluster together. And the journaling for this page will go obviously on that blue journaling box, and that is that one and the tag that you see on the left. They're both from Stamp Market cut off page. The hello die cut is from Amy Tangerine, and now you'll see the pink and red fussy cut flowers that are from a different Stamp Market paper. And these two green bows are from the Magical Forest collection that we got, I believe, in March. These were the very last bows that I had to use. So I'm really, really sad that they're gone now, but also happy that I got to use them all. Okay, so at this point, it is just a matter of deciding where do I want my flowers to be. I'm not sure I end up using this last piece over here, but just you'll see, I'm pretty sure you'll see me playing around with it. I'm just not sure I used it in the end. And this layout, you can see that I'm already gluing everything. You can see that there will not be any mixed media. There's no watercolors or splashes or anything. That was something that I had very clear from the moment I started. I wanted to keep it simple. It's gonna be about, fussy cutting from the pattern papers, and I'm gonna use different elements to embellish, but the main focus here were the pattern papers. Now I felt that those flowers needed some butterflies around, and the butterflies were my way to connect both clusters. So you can see that they start at the bottom right and they go all the way around the photo, and then it's that last butterfly on top, kind of connecting those two clusters. Okay, and that is mainly it. I think at this point we're gonna come and do we're gonna date it. And as I said, this was a picture, the photo was actually taken on December 31st, but was on our New Year's trip with the family. So that, again, that is why I wanted the number one, not only New Year's, the family, the first one with the family, the first one with family and friends. So it was all about that. So here you have some of the close-up photos. It is a very, very simple layout. It's only a matter of layering and taking the time to do your fussy cutting. I did that a couple of nights prior to actually putting the layout together, just because I knew that's what I wanted to use. Having fun is an activity that relaxes me. It's something that makes me feel good, and again, it was a challenge for me to work on a layout, and I had so much fun. The make-its are still one of my favorites. The colors, the flowers, butterflies, everything. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to keep an eye on the member forum post, the YouTube post on the Hip Kit Club channel. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.